Advanced Revenue Management, Recalculating Revenue Forecast Plans. Alright, so this is the last video around month-end revenue processing, and then we're going to go and get into the reports. So let's go look at this one here, 49354. 49354. You can recalculate revenue forecast plans to align them with the recognized and planned revenue of the actual revenue plans for the revenue element. If the actual plan has not yet been graded, the amount for the period is 0. When you recalculate, NetSuite adjusts the revenue forecast plans to match the actual plan amounts as of the selected period. The adjustment is applied according to the Reforecast method on the revenue forecast plan. At month end, generate revenue recognition and reclassification journal entries before, so getting the order right is really important, before you recalculate your revenue forecast plans. To ensure that your forecast reports are accurate, always recalculate revenue forecast plans before you run your reports, right? Here's an example that you could read through. I'll pause there for a moment. Alright, here's some more detail you might want to scan through. Forecast, I'll just quickly note this: forecast plans, except those for the returns, may not begin or end with negative amounts. When you recalculate forecast plan, the beginning and ending periods are adjusted as follows. Right, so if January is negative, the negative amount is February, so cannot be negative. And the opposite is true. Forecast plans for return transactions follow the reverse logic. Right, the first and last periods may not begin or end with a positive amount, so just the opposite. Be sure accounting periods are set up for periods, of course. So if your revenue goes out for 10 years and you've only got 3 years set up, not going to work. You've got to set up those additional years. Create revenue recognition and reclassification journal entries before you recalculate revenue forecast plans to ensure that forecast reports are properly updated. Right, to recalculate revenue forecast plans, go to Transactions, Financials, Recalculate Revenue Forecast Plans. Right, there's a couple of options there, all pretty obvious. I'll go and show you now. The Revert to Original button recreates the revenue forecast plans based on the current revenue element information. This information includes revenue amount, revenue recognition forecast rule, and forecast start and end dates if applicable. Right, so we're going to go Transactions, Financial, Recalculate. So Transactions, Financial, Recalculate. There we go. Right, and so there we are. Okay, and so let's go and submit. Oops. I need the period. So let's make that January 22. Right, and that's how you recalculate them.